day everyone, I am Nicoyan Thomas from the Group 6 Reporter. So our report for today is all about the accounting for service income, sale, and collection. Accounting for service income, sale, and collection. It is talk about the supporting documents and function like example. For service income are the following: cash slip, charge slip. It is the piece of paper with bank deposit to identify or as prove how much the money that you have putting on account. Change slip. It is the purchase receipt that the varieties of quality function sale. Sales invoice and the cash collection, the cash slip and official receipt as the soon as the service recommend of identity recognize or aware of the service income. When sale service credit the asset account or when sale the categories within the business books that show the value of own is credit for increased income. The function are buys service. Account for sale discount return allowance. Sale is reduced by the discount and it will become service allowance, and there are two types of discount. Ito po ang dalawang uri ng discount. One is straight discount. Two is cash discount. Straight discount, it is by way of cut off the retail and being price will cash discount. It is offered by the seller return for the paying before a scheduled date or giving a small percentage. Accounting for the payment of expense. It is a group of the selling expenses from the general to the administrative and difference from cost of goods sold for the trending and merchandise business and cost of goods manufacturer and sold for the manufacturing business. Accounting for a payroll. The major and essential areas from accounting is the compensation according of the employees and employer, keep complete and accurate record of the salaries, and ways record are keep long period of entity. The government unit. Dito ang BIR at ang SS PhilHealth. Home Development Fund and Pag-ibig. There are payroll deduction that remitted to the employee. For the certification of employment and certification of contribution to state the tax from the salary. Halimbawa, pag nagtatrabaho ka sa government, for example, sa Superama, so nagtatrabaho ka sa Superama, then mayroon kang BIR at saka SS PhilHealth. So, may tendency talaga na matatanggal po yung deduction ng iyong PhilHealth at saka yung SS, and then yung sa BIR. May discount sa salaries. Individual contractors include there are a group are paid like professional fees and trainer fees. Accounting for of the merchandise and the payment. The word is a generic term for buy or a give. It is used for the installation of cash payment for the office supplies, gasoline, and newspaper. Limited use of account. It is introduce the purchase account form and business activity, one call, marching companies or trending entity.